Very good morning, students. So, as we know that we have to start our English topic of Standard 6, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Indian American means she was born in India, but she was brought up in America. Okay, so this is a dynamic story of a young woman who became an astronaut. This is a story about a girl we can call who worked really hard and got the position, got the place in NASA. Okay, so let's get start with the point. Before you read, in 1997, an Indian American, you can come to know Indian American. I have earlier explained that Kalpana Chawla was part of the international crew about the US space shuttle Columbia. So Columbia is a name of space shuttle, that is a vehicle which use to go into the space, and becoming the first woman born in India to go into the space. So question can be asked, which is or who is the first lady who is born in India and went into the space? That is Kalpana Chawla. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So guys, it is a tragedy. So earlier, Kalpana Chawla's space shuttle, which was end into a tragedy, and what that tragedy means. Tragedy, comedy and tragedy are the two different words. Comedy means the end of that drama is in happy, or happy ending is called comedy, but whenever that ending is sad, that is called tragedy. So an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. So let's get start with the point. Here a news report is there, so we have to read that news report. A tragedy in space. US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. The space shuttle which breaks into the flames, which was burned, it means. So that is the heading of that news. In an unprecedented means what? It is not believable, it is not predicted space tragedy. US space shuttle Columbia carrying India born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards. So while it was Texas, it was few minutes were there, it was landing on the earth, but before it could come on the earth, it was burnt, it was turned into the flames. And along with Kalpana, how many crew members are there? 6 crew members are there. It started over the Texas or towards. Okay, its landing strip on Saturday 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. So whoever, all the 7 members who are boarded on that space was killed. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. So it was about 9 a.m. to land. It was flying at the altitude of over 20,000, you can call. Okay, 200,000 we can call, or 2 lakh feet, and traveling at over 20,000 kilometer per hour. The speed of that space shuttle was 20,000 kilometer per hour. You can imagine what speed of that space shuttle. When ground control lost contact with the shuttle, so what happens? See, the ground control, whatever it was control on the ground, it was lost its control. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. So it was lifted. The space shuttle was lifted 16th of January 2003, and it was returning on what? 1st of February. Okay, you have to recite the dates, both the dates, 1 February, Saturday 2003, and it was shifted or lifted off when 16 January, means how many days it remain in the space, you can imagine. Okay, from where it was launched on Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the 7 members crew conducted 80 experiments. So that 7 crew members carried out different experiments in space about 16 days stays. So how many experiments were conducted by that crew member? That is 18 or 80 experiments. Before it began its downward journey, started downward journey towards the earth, they conducted 80 experiments which ended in a tragedy. So guys, the story ends in a tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So the scientists has assumed that this space shuttle Columbia will work for 100 flights, but in its 28th space mission it was damaged, it was collapsed, it was completely burnt. So let's get to the main point. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. Frontiers means achievement we can call. She never dreamed about that. She was telling that being I'm a village girl, how would she never dreamed about it. She was a girl, a child in Karnal, Haryana, that she who crossed that she would cross the frontiers of the space, whatever challenges of the space. She never believed that in her dream. It was enough that her parents allow her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore school. So it was enough for her. As we know that when in Haryana, the situation of girl child, being she's a girl child in Haryana, she was somehow got the permission to attend engineering school. The line expresses a lot. It was enough that her parents allow, बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ था उसके लिए, that her parents allow her to complete her graduation degree at engineering college after she completed in Tagore school. After a bachelor of science degree in aeronautical engineering, against great opposition from her father. So father was great opposed for her further studies. She went for a master's degree to the United States of America. Later she attended master degree. She wants to get bachelor degree, as we know that when she completed in Karnal. But for master degree, being her father was great opposing for her further studies, she went to USA, that is United States of America. She later earned her PhD, that is doctorate in philosophy, in aerospace engineering. She had completed aerospace engineering PhD. Question can be asked: PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the, you can see the picture of that woman, launch pad at Cape Canaveral. What is that? Canaveral in Florida. So this was the story of a woman, Kalpana Chawla. She was called the first Indian American brought in India, and what you can say, she by birth she was Indian and she brought up and she had completed her further studies in America. That's why she was got the citizenship of America. That's why it is called Indian American woman astronaut, and she blast off from the launch pad, which was they blast off means they land from where the launch pad was Cape Canaveral. They take off from Florida into the space and participate in a successful mission in a space. It was a successful mission. Her family from India cheered along with staff in the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. As it started to lift off from Columbia, all were very happy with the space mission. Look at that story. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. Naturalized means after getting married. So that story we have to see what is naturalized citizenship. Married to a flight instructor, Jean Perry Harrison. What is the name of her husband? So it is a gym instructor, that is a flight instructor we can call Jean Perry Harrison, the name of her husband. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi engine land aeroplanes. Besides engineering, she got the license to fly the aeroplane also, that was single what we can say engine and multiple engine also, that got the license. Single engine seaplanes and glider as well as. She was also gliders, on water it glides. Yeah. She was also a certified flight instructor, being she had completed her PG, PhD, master degree. She got the license of single and multi engine aeroplanes, which can she fly, as well as she has completed or she got the certified degree of flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. So she was not satisfied with this one. She was thinking about another challenges. Applying to the NASA, okay, she was applying to the NASA Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. So she was hired by the NASA as a research scientist. She joined in 1994. She was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So her journey starts with, first she was appointed there as a what? Research scientist, and in 1994 she was selected by NASA as a astronaut. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied. So whenever reporter asked her how would she feel, so she replied, I really never ever thought, मैंने कभी सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था, while pursuing my studies or doing anything else, जब मैं पढ़ाई करती थी, that time I never sure about that, I never thought in my dream that I was a woman. मुझे कभी नहीं लगा ऐसे कि मैं एक लड़की हूँ, that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. Never she thought that one like that, as a woman, or she belonged to a small village or another country she belongs to. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and followed them. So other people, those have dream, those who wanted to follow them, I was one of them. I was also wanted to follow my dreams. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that is what you want to do, carry on. So fortunately I'm very lucky. Why she was telling that she was very lucky? Because whatever she got the neighborings know, whatever the followers are there, whatever the people around her was encouraged her all the time. And that's why she was telling that whenever I want to do something, they always encourage me. Okay, next. Kalpana first space mission in the space shuttle, that was Columbia, and was about 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. You can imagine the shuttle Columbia make round about 252 times, and they traveled about 10.4 million kilometers. Imagine guys, 20,000 per kilometer the speed of that Columbia space shuttle. They make how many rounds around the earth? 252 rounds they made, and approximate their journey was 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut also. So along with her, Japanese astronaut, Ukrainian astronaut, the crew perform experiments such as pollinating plants. They pollinate the plants to observe food growth in space. They observed it, whether it is favorable conditions for planting. and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. So they conducted test for what? That the semiconductors or chip we useful in the computers know that either it is a hard or a tough metal can be done, all for a price tag of about $56 million. So that experiments took $56 million. That much expensive expenditure was that. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and a disbelief. But unfortunately, on the Saturday night, we have told you earlier, guys, the disaster of Columbia. So all people were shocked, and that is disbelief. No one is believe on it. You can check it out. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the team had somehow survived. A journalist wrote. See, guys, the disaster had happened on the Saturday. The all city, all the villagers, they spent all night sleepless. They never sleep that night. Thousands of households, they are wishing that the crew members along with Kalpana should be survived. So look at that what journalist wrote. She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. It was not a joke. It needs enormous ability to be astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. Biology is important. Along with astrophysics, you should be what master in it, and aeronautical engineering you should be master degree in it also. So these things, these qualifications are required to be an astronaut. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe inspiring. Awe means unbelievable. So whatever her achievements are there, that is unbelievable, guys. There is no words for that journalist to explain. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration in a message that she sent from abroad the space shuttle Columbia to students of her college of Chandigarh. Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get into it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." What a nice line, guys. Look at that. For millions of young Indians. So she was a motivation, she was an inspiring ideal for those who wanted to become an astronaut. So she was telling, she left one message to the people on the earth, especially the students in Karnal, in her Chandigarh college. What she sent that message, look at that. For the students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist." Yes, whatever you dream, it can be come into existence. Only you have to follow the dream, you have to see the vision. If these qualifications you have, these qualities you have, these determinations you have, definitely you can fulfill the dream which were you saw. Again she was telling, may you have the vision to find it. Only you have that vision, you have to look, you have to make your own path, and definitely it can come to what in exist. Wishing you a great journey, she wished all the students. There will surely be many who start. So those who are the beginners, those who want to start, that is a motivational guidance, motivational message from Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so that is what story, guys. Hope you understand the story very well. In the next lecture, we will take the poem. That is what we can talk. Yeah, beauty, that poem we have to take. Surely, hope I'm very lucky, guys, that you hope you enjoyed this lesson nicely. Thank you.